What's up guys, it's Devin and today I'm doing a very special unboxing video for you today. This is the mini luggage from Louis Vuitton. This is their spring summer collection. I actually got this bag in Vegas. I wasn't looking for anything like in particular, but it caught my eye because it's super cute. Kind of has like a vintage feel. So I looked online to see if you could still get this bag because I did buy it in store and it does say call for availability. So I'm not sure if this is still available anywhere. Again, this was their spring summer 2019 collection and I got this at the Bellagio in Vegas. It actually was on a mannequin when I walked by. I was just kind of looking for like the little round like teardrop bags or the square ones, like the pillbox kind of purses I think are really cute. So that's actually what I was looking for, but then I saw this on a mannequin and it caught my eye because there she is, so cute. I just feel like it's super vintage looking. You can tell the leather is already darkened, it's already patinaed, so I think that's super pretty. I did have, of course, my initials get put on. Everybody at the Louis Vuitton in the Bellagio were super great. My consultant that helped me was really nice and they kind of ordered my initials on there so that I could take it home with me. So I love that it has the handle. I think it's super cute to hold, but also it comes with some straps. So let's look. It has a long skinny strap. Really pretty. I like that it's kind of delicate and it's not too thick of a strap. I think this bag would be perfect like for shopping trips, just to kind of put all your stuff in and have your hands free with the crossbody, and it's just really elegant too. This probably isn't going to be my like everyday bag just because I feel like it's a little more special, but this is the chain also. So there's a few different ways I guess you could use it, like just on the side. One of the girls showed me like a way to kind of like cross it over to have it different, but I kind of just like classic just on there. Isn't she pretty? Wow, what a pretty bag. So let's look inside. There actually is a lot of room in this bag. They did come out with a BB size, so it's a little bit smaller, but I feel like you definitely could fit a lot in it. It has two kind of side pockets, and then it opens up just like a luggage would or a vintage bag would, a doctor bag. So I love that. I think that just makes it feel really vintage also. I definitely could fit my sunglasses, phone, wallet. I didn't buy a wallet because I already have a wallet in this print that goes in my Speedy. I think I could fit a little bag with lipsticks in it. I think a few other items definitely could fit in it. It has some good room, so just kind of show you guys some of the details. It has the lock on it. Yeah, so there she is, guys. The Louis Vuitton mini luggage spring summer 2019 collection. She does come in some other colors. There is another size also. The other colors, there's just one actually, and it's like a white, gray with some green. It's really funky, it's really cute, it's a little bit more, but I went with this one just because I feel like it's a classic. I feel like it's just really vintage. I love it. Kind of scared to wear it all the time. This definitely is going to be like my special occasion bag. My mom told me I just need to get over it and wear it to the store, anywhere I go, but I don't know, I just feel like she's special and I want to keep her real nice. So definitely we'll just probably just stick to, again, the special occasions. But yeah, super cute, love it. I'm definitely very happy with this bag. It's a nice addition to my small collection of bags. super cute. So yeah, that's it for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like and subscribe while you're at it for more videos. That's it from us, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.